Golden Rule called us one day and said, hey, would you like to be our featured nonprofit of the month? Which I'll tell you, when we get a call, just a cold call, and we don't have to fight for those partnerships, it really makes us just absolutely thrilled, and we know that organization is going to be a great community partner. Dress for Success is a nonprofit organization that empowers women with the tools they need to achieve economic mobility through providing workplace clothing, career readiness, and ongoing communities of support. We rely on community partnerships and individual donations in order to gain the resources we need to serve women in the central Iowa community. Right now, so many women are really struggling to find employment, and our role here is to serve them, but it can be hard in a tough economy to secure the funding needed to provide all the resources that could benefit our service population. We don't just provide professional clothing, we provide workplace clothing. So we provide everything from scrubs to now, thanks to Golden Rule's support, steel toe boots, and even equipment for women entering the trades who might need to buy their own tools. If you're a woman or you know a woman who might be unemployed, struggling in her career, maybe she has a job, but she's just not happy or inspired, Dress for Success Des Moines is here to support you. We're here to support women in central Iowa on their journey to economic mobility. And we're so grateful for partners like Golden Rule who can make that happen.